Hey traders, I just want to film some, I wouldn't call it live trading because it's not a live feed. I did try and set up the YouTube live stream, but that got a little bit complicated. I'm not at home, I'm actually on holidays at a hotel, so I'm running the mobile data, the Wi-Fi here at the place I am in regional Western Australia doesn't have strong enough Wi-Fi to support stocks to trade, so Australia. That's what we're about. Slow internet. SRAX. What is that doing? Oh, bam, blammo. Ooh. So what am I looking at? EKSO. I was watching here for a break. Oh, don't get laggy. Don't get laggy. This obviously was mentioned by Roland, and shout out to Roland as well. That was an outstanding video that he did put together. I was watching here for a dip buy potential off, the lows here. It got to 325, and it really didn't push substantially enough to warrant me to get into this. But XNET, wow, right here, I was looking at that as well just before I started to make this video, and I just thought, hey, let's make it. SRAX is also moving a little bit if it will let me. So maybe a failed breakout there. Pretty okay volume. RIOT, it's fading a bit as well. C-Reg, shout out to Chad, my fellow trader in Perth as well. And we're talking about a double bottom here potentially. It's just not done enough really. Honestly, for me to say, it's gonna move higher is to get above the high here of 414. And hang on. This is good. This captures the realities of what I'm dealing with, how laggy this is currently. You can only laugh. I mean, what can you do? It's just. So what am I watching right now? I want to give a little bit of a clarification on what I'm watching. This, to me, I mean, is it a short? Is it a long? It's got more upside potential, and it's got a good catalyst. So we'll just let this sort of, play out. And it looks like it's probably going to go sideways. So not on my desk. I'm lying in the second bedroom. I got a 2-bedroom one, so I could do this without interfering with my partner's sleep, because she wouldn't be too. She wouldn't be about staying up. Let me use a desk. There's a desk in the other room, but that's the better bed. So these are 2 singles. So trader's life. Whoever's watching this, these are realities if you want to be a trader. Okay, so it's certainly not glamorous. I'm just going to adjust here. Alright, so I've got plenty of battery in the mobile. Yeah, MARK isn't bad, just the volume, it's okay, the volume, but it's just, the main move was out of the gate, but, I don't do that straight away. I'm not about playing, anything straight away during market open, because it'd be quite, excessively volatile and a lot of noise, and I'm not really about that. Right here was probably a nice signal on XNET, and I've missed that. I won't be chasing it. SARX, not too bad as well. EKSO, MARK, XNET, they're all sort of in play. I don't want to make this video too long, but that's what I'm looking at. So there was a dip buy here, didn't pan out. Mainly because of this. So I really wanted it to get to sort of the 340s. I had an entry there. The spread fluctuated a little bit, so I didn't enter the order. I just wanted to see how this panned out. And it wasn't, overwhelmingly positive. So I just, I let that go. And I'm glad I did, because it's made its move. And it's now holding. And, volume-wise, it's not too bad. MARK, making another push. Okay, so the volume isn't great. I mean, a mental stop. Enter here, 770. Mental stop of 760. Ideally, probably not. The mental stop would be down in the 750s. So enter at 770, 750, 20. Can he get the 8? It's not up considerably. There's just nothing to woo me about this currently. So it was testing again, high a day. High was 770. Refer to level 2. See what's going on. I'm getting better at, in the pressure moment, sort of making the checks, making sure I'm getting into a valid setup. And I would say probably no go on this one, EKSO. Let me know in the comment section as well, guys, either on Profitly or on YouTube, if this sort of video is helpful. But it's just good to run through from a novice perspective, you know, how I approach the trading. I tend to find I'm more drawn to buys. I will sell as well though, but it's got to be downtrend. XNET. I'm just going to watch. I just hone in on one. Okay, I'm not. I can't pay attention to everything. So it's holding, and it's. What's the spread like? The spread's 10 cents. So if I enter an order at 770 and hit 780, then it's going to get triggered for 770. So now it's made a few tries. It's 1, 2, 3, nearly 4. You could call it 4, really. So just waiting for the volume to come in a little bit now. I mean, we're above the average volume. It's a low float as well. C-reg, right? What's it doing? I think I'm going to start closing these down, guys, just because it's taking up the bandwidth here on the mobile data. So, C-reg, nope. CRX, nope. That's sort of a bit wishy-washy, I would call that. XNET, really the move was here. You get in at the high there of 1930. You know, maybe just over 1935, and then played out. So that was the play here. This is now. It's unsure where it's headed. Close that down. I'm going to conclude things, guys, as well soon. EKSO. Sorry about that. Just move my laptop. It's getting a bit hot on the lap. It's ironic they call them laptops, but it's not really uncomfortable to have a laptop on your lap for a sustained period of time. EKSO. Close that down at MARK. And no trade on MARK. Guys, thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has a great session. Bye.